Ka Bethany Institute Resource Development lani ka balatip lengkon kum ka bird kabadon halum umpi umsning Ribhoy district kabala penyai de ki sister jong ka Bethany katay ka Shlem bala penyai de ki sister Bethany kadai ka bala juai Jinghikai ki Jait kam ki babun jain kerpang na ka benta ki khon samla kenthei bat ki long kemi ki badon ye kamon banyang halaki ki jan ban sangkam sangjam lade hakum kane ka juk kerdu kam kerdu jam ka bamenta ka jingdon jong kate ka Shlem ai Jinghikai kala long shisha ka jingkerkhu bat kalat ka lenti ka bakrau na ka benta ki tu ki khon samla kan thei bat ki long keme ki bawan na ka long yeng long sam ka baduk ka ban lengba kate ka Shlem ai Jinghikai kinla ban sangkam sangjam lade ha ka ba kimdon kam shu ban le shaki wei pat ki benta ba shabar jong ka jilla bat jong ka north east hi barok ka wei Hadin bana kaliang Ribhoy News ulayo ban le jengo ikate ka Shlem ai Jinghikai la shem baladon shibun ki khon samla kanthei bat ki long kemi ki bana ki jilla ki ba hapo jong ka north east kum na ka jilla Mizoram Karbi Anglong Meghalaya bat kumju ladon ru ki balawan na du na West Bengal ha kate ka Shlem ai Jinghikai ki juhikai ki Jait kam ki ba kum ka thain jan computer training ka Jinghikai ban nang ban kran phareng bat ki we ki Jait kam
Bird, Bethany Institute of Resource Development, Umsning, Meghalaya, aims at developing young people's talents. It encourages young people to come up in life. We conduct many programs here, motivational programs, inspirational programs, so that youth may gain, especially Northeast youth who are at times aimless, who are at times on the crossroads, they do not know what to do. We guide them and direct them. Not only that, young people, we also get young girls, young boys, and also young men, old, children, everyone, whoever wants to empower themselves. Here is Bird, ready to empower these people. We conduct many other programs too, like paralegal programs, teachers training program, counseling skills for teachers and others. And also we have Bethany Champions, another unit. We train them in leadership. We have conducted many programs for them here in Bird. Around 100 of them have assembled last year, and we trained them in view of our centenary celebration.
We have until now since
1,200 we have trained so far.
1,200?
Yes.
In total?
Total. Northeast only, mainly the Northeast. We also have brought our own sisters, formators, giving them training here, formators. Formators means those who train the young sisters and young girls who join us. They are called formators. We had the formators training here. Also we had the counseling skill for the principals of all our schools of Northeast by Father Philip.
Nilitunda ke wang ningarong tigla, lapen nilitunda kacharli computer, lapen dress designing, lahai kacharli nitum ningarong tigla, lapen sister tumbenda ajar ason nangkithan itum mesen penarang nitum ben charli longlo ningarong tigla.
Nilitum la sodim ke wang pen ningarong pig la sorong adim lang meo, nalitum sitame dak wang nitum ason nang charli dum me. Dak nangithan anda me o sister mada itum han nangithan me pick an tailoring computer class la hai sita me charlie dun me pick an kasi Karbiang long state ko antum youth tum do ka be bang dak nang charlie dun
hemun kan swasan ne chuan heta changa kan thiam swat tam takhi chorchang kai kan tuma a thei te ani chuanin kalza kan tuma heta kan zir chwa angzeli sumlak lu puina kan phan thei kan ring kalame
ro phaya ba re khano khap cha ma to ha mangming khe asu hakcha mani phaye ro jo to juda parani bro ro be malaye khe to mom ba ye akhe sister ro pa chung no kaham khe nayo ake kaham krong khe no phrongo
Kurumzari ma Manipur ai music Umsling ki Meghalaya mafam sida lai ado ai designing computer and English training to basal lile ado hoji ai je mafam sida yam haji sister khoi ga leibada yam nungai ba haji yam kana ba phangba aingonda mayam dasu yam kana ningai oina ba la ona haizari
ngapoi shani de lang baka jing inform jing ini sister yang po sister coach shepherd tegi sister coach shepherd ki inform ki mo yani tegi ong don ka training apo umsning te ngakran phone bah ki mo la ya kran bah bat i la ya kran hai o late ben nama ka ajing mentoi te ya phi te ngadon ki mo ta ka im mo don ka jing thmu kan o da ka bah ngan late ben ngan late persyang temo bung ju puai late akan late mo anda late asyari singi la te ban yang hala jong ka kchat tengi wan ke chane ipoi chane bang isngo sarong hiru bang ya ngi ya kane ka bird ka pom sning kata ka training chapang kumno bangin kam expert nane ban kam lang ban kran ka tin english ban communicate lang ban kran lang ban kiwe ki jai ben real kumno bangin nang ban le ki computer ban kumno bangin la ken ban pen i yang ta ka sop jongi ha ka ba ya dai ban ka tailoring designing ki ba phe
paliang jonga kan tu lang ya phi baro ki kun samla jo gabri unyu tram bakin sobha ban wat ki jingtip ban yawan training lang hagane ka center hane po umsning khamtam na banta gitu ki bala song ying mo ki bala i no steng por ki school jonki kadang baki maki lada ki wan hang ne kinyo sibun ki jing mentoi kumbangi ngi syam hagane ka jaka